Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make use of the different AI personas and bots offered within Monica. So this is a really great feature because it allows you to select a background for your chatbot. So let's say for example you want a chatbot with a specific background in sales or advertising, you can do so very easily. And the range within the different bots is very wide, so chances are you're going to be finding something useful there. So to get started, let's go ahead and open up the Monica UI interface. I've got it open here in my browser, and I'm going to open the sidebar. So here I'm going to click on more underneath the models, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. So there's an option here called explore bot, and here you're going to be able to select different bots. So as you can see, there are writing agents, there are travel planners, there are website cooperation email generators, and these are different specialized models for different specialized things. So I'm going to go ahead and type in something like LinkedIn, and there should be a few here that we can use. You have LinkedIn writing experts and LinkedIn post generators. So I'm going to click on the most popular one, and I'm going to write something pretty simple here. Write me an inspirational LinkedIn post about combating burnout. Here we go. It generates a response perfectly tailored to the platform LinkedIn. As you can see, even adds, what do you call these? Adds hashtags at the end to really take advantage. So this just saves a lot of time because you don't have to set up any instructions for your LLMs like you would maybe on a different platform, like on when using Claude. You can simply look for a bot that is already set up for you. So I highly encourage any users out there to also explore the options that the Monica team has provided, because there's definitely a lot of useful ones out there. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.